In this lesson, we're going to cover Content Assist. So the Content Assist allows us to leverage some of the built-in functionality of the Eclipse IDE to quickly and easily find code and be able to stub it in rather than having to actually type it all out by hand. So what we're going to see here, to use Content Assist, the first thing we want to do is hold down Control and hit the space bar. Now if you're on a Mac, of course, that's the Command key in space bar. And so we'll use that to stub in some code. So let's open up the program file. And here, what we can see is if we go to line 22, right before the main method, let's go ahead and just type MA and then hit our Content Assist. So hold Control plus space or Command plus space if you're on a Mac. And what we'll see is that it brings up this dialog that says, are you looking for a main method? And that is what we're looking for, so I'm just going to hit the Enter key. You can see that it quickly stubs in the entire main method. So I didn't have to type in anything. I was able to leverage Content Assist and bring up that code. One other thing that I want to show you is this also works for some of our custom code. So if we go into our password data editor file, and let's go to line 52, where we see that we've created a new password collection. Here what I'm going to do is just simply type PC equals new, and then I'll hit my Content Assist, and you can see that it brings up different options. Here I could create a new password collection with the default constructor, a password collection with int shift, or password data editor. And in this case, I'm looking for the password collection with the int shift, so let's go ahead and enter, and you see that that brings up my password collection. And then I can easily try to find things again, typing PRO and hitting Content Assist, and then it just kind of leverages IntelliSense at that point, and that brings up offset just by hitting the dot. So we see there, we get some Content Assist by hitting Control plus space or Command plus space. And also, once we hit a dot, we see some IntelliSense coming in. We can see some other built-in IntelliSense in Eclipse there. One last thing to note is that as we continue to work with this code, obviously it's already pre-compiled and built as the state that we had before this. So make sure you don't save any changes, and we can continue on each lesson using the code from its default state. So that wraps up our look at Content Assist.